Welcome to Windows 7 tutorial number 7. Now we're going to talk about how to create folders. First off, I want to remind you that yes, you can put software applications on your taskbar or in your start menu. We've talked about how to do that. But what you may not realize is that if you have too many things in your task menu or too many things in your start menu, your desktop can take a very long time to come up when you restart your computer. So in order to cut down on the amount of time it takes for your desktop to restart, you want to put things into folders that you want to be able to easily access. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on my desktop. I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to create a folder. When I first create the folder, it's highlighted, the text of the title is highlighted in blue. That means that I can just go ahead and type what I want to type, and that is now the name of my folder. I've clicked off of it, and now it's the name of my folder. So now I'm going to add some things to this folder. You only want to add shortcuts to your folder. You do not want to add the actual applications, because if you add the actual applications and then delete the folder, you will delete the application. So let's go in and make an alias for each of the applications I want to add in. I'm going to go ahead to my computer and into my local disk, into my program files, and I know I'm looking for my Google stuff, so I'm going to Google. I'm going to go ahead into Google SketchUp, scroll down to the application file. It says application. I'm going to right click on the application to create a shortcut. Now that I've created a shortcut, I can actually drag my shortcut out and put it into my folder. You can see it's been added to my folder because there's that little icon picture, which is the same icon as the application itself. I'm going to back out to my Google Earth. I'm going to go ahead and launch Google Earth. I'm going to go get the application for that. I'm going to right click again, create a shortcut. Now that I have my shortcut, I'm going to drag my shortcut into my Google Tools folder. Now that I've put all of the things I need in my folder, I can close it out. If I want to launch something, I go to my folder, double click, and then I can go into my folder and double click what I want to launch, and it automatically will launch. And the nice thing about it is that it's an alias. It's a startup shortcut, which means that if I delete this folder, which if I want to delete a folder, I right click and go to delete, and I can delete that folder. And I did not get rid of the program itself. The program itself is still in here in my programs, and I could launch it again to prove it. So that's how you create a folder.